You're filming.
Out here today on the Detroit River, you can see the fog we got.
Dude.
using finesse, primarily focusing on the black colors, fishing 25, 27 feet. We're doing pretty good. Gonna give it a few more passes here, see if we can beat some records out here. Let's get her done. Say something.
Oh, Brent, really good one. Net, buddy. Net, buddy. He's coming right up. It's a good one too. Really good one. Oh, buddy. Net, Brent, net. Get him in. Net! Oh, that's a monster. Trophy. Oh, chill. Hey, oh, I'm just gonna just leave it closed.
You think it's closed?
Might. Hey? You can see she's just loaded with eggs. Just a monster out here. Just under 9 pounds.
Alright. Putting them back. Good?
Yeah.
Get them in here. You got this video? Yeah. Personal best. 28. Beauty.
Good day out here on the Detroit River today. That was the ticket to Dale out. You guys know that's a good color. Out here, me and my buddy, he got a 28 and a 26, personal best beat. I got a 29 and a half, a 26, and two or three other nice mediums, mid-20s. Ticket today was keying in on those steep drops. We were fishing some deep sand in about 25 feet. Then we targeted in on some deep break walls, fishing that 18 to 25 foot range. Nice light jig today. The fish weren't too aggressive. A lot of short strikes, a lot of missed fish. Good day out here today. Hey, Brent?
Great day.